forgot that there are some things I need to get. So I once forgot my charging stuff at Cargang. So I asked the gents that we could go there, like we have to go, and it was like, I need them now, but you, okay, Nkupi, let's get to your car and you get the things from Cargang. And then I got them. I'm going to get them. I'm here, and I managed to get the stuff. I left them here. Guys, I got this stuff, so I'm now leaving. Guys, I'm done here. I got my stuff. Bye bye. Done. Shoba Fate, welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast Dance and Class. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi, the entertainer. Today I am going to Bingo Batu so I can solidify my seats. Aliboni chenile bebe tele big fall gabu. Ah we. Did you hear the seat? They're not. Oh. So Kinyago Batu from Ofela Jonas Street, and also I got fog lamps. Kinyago Badi Direk Bonorika Sits and Kolia. I have a shop. I have a indicator. I have a fog lamps. Let's do this. Batu, the place that I run to when I'm having any problem with any car. Outfish Tlhaga Stellenbosch. My favorite artist is Alvicious Tlhaga Stellenbosch. Yeah, you know, there's no way to come to a man's car and not pass by. Hi guys, we're here at Baitu Baitu. Remember the spin car? Ivan, what's this now? No, not you, I know you. I'm talking about this. How can a car be this big? They use all this material for the body, but inside it's small. Nowadays, if a car is of a length from here to here, 7 passengers already, and from here to here, another 7. The quantum. Chevrolet Coupe. Chevrolet Coupe. Coupe